Hi everyone, Ted Rush here from Collingwood Toyota. We're back again, Sam and I, to tell you about the new 20 Tundra. Collingwood's #1 Toyota dealer. The 20 Tundra is finally gone with smart key, only in certain packages, but the upper models all have smart key, so push button start. But guess what, Sam?
What, Ted?
They have finally added in a remote starter.
Yes.
So you can start it by remote. You can also put an app on your phone and start it through your phone anywhere that has cell service. Huge feature, nice change finally. Only took about 8 years to get. Besides that, we now have Apple CarPlay. You can plug an Apple phone in, pull your apps up on the screen, and access applications like Google Maps or even Waze. Also, they've added in additional power outputs, 2.1 USB ports, so for extra charging or quick chargers. The other thing I want to tell you about within the remote starter is Toyota Safety Connect. Sam, can you see this up here? This flap puts down. This is not an emergency eject button. This here will call Toyota Live. They can monitor the vehicle. They know where you are. You do not need cell service. If you were up north not having cell range, but you had a flat tire, ran out of fuel, you can push this and talk to someone at Toyota. They know where they are and they can dispatch and help you out. It comes for 3 years under your roadside assistance.